find the strength to go back to where it all began. It's hard enough to gain any traction in the rain. It's hard for me to understand. It's hard to find a way, get through another city day without thinking about getting out. The strangest thing I've seen was a t-shirt turning green, and in the arms a turtle dove. The dove's lady was a call, or maybe it was a olive branch she held in his paws, or maybe he could see they were in love. It's hard to find a way, get through another city day without thinking about getting